Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll walk through the steps to locate archived chats on LinkedIn using the latest app interface. Whether you're tidying up your inbox or revisiting an old conversation, this guide will show you exactly where to find those hidden messages. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, look for the messaging icon in the top right corner. It's the speech bubble symbol. Tap that to access your conversations. Now, here's where things might look a little different if you're used to older versions of the app. At the top of your messages list, you'll see a focused tab. This is LinkedIn's way of prioritizing messages it thinks are most relevant to you. Tap on Focused to open a drop-down menu. From there, select Archive. This will immediately filter your inbox to show only archived chats. You'll now see every conversation you've ever archived, organized by date. Scroll through the list to find the specific chat you need. If you want to return a conversation to your main inbox, simply tap the message to open it. In the upper right corner, you'll notice a three-dot menu. Tap it, then choose Restore from the options. The chat will instantly reappear in your primary messages folder. A quick tip: archived messages aren't deleted, they're just out of sight. LinkedIn also automatically archives certain types of messages, like promotional content, after 20 to 40 days. So if you're missing a conversation but didn't manually archive it, check this folder before assuming it's gone. And that's it. Whether you're cleaning up your inbox or retrieving an important discussion, the archive feature keeps your LinkedIn messages organized without permanent deletion. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips. Until next time, happy networking.